How to check Instagram live videos. Hi everyone, it's Sophia to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. First, open Instagram. Then go to your feed, and beside your story, you will find if people are live. If not, go to your story, scroll to the left, and then press on live. Click on audience located at left side of your screen below title, and then click on practice. Then click on set audience and then go live by clicking on circle. After you're live, simply you'll find arrow like option at the bottom right corner of your screen. Click on it. After you click on the arrow like option, you'll find this kind of screen pop up. In search, simply search your own username from which you're going live, then send it. After that, end the live. Go back to the messages. In messages, you will find this kind of screen pop up. Simply click on watch live video and it will show you already ended, and below that you will be able to see other people's live videos. This is how to check Instagram live videos. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. I am Sophia signing off until next time.